Assalamu alaikum dear students. In the series of learning programming in C, we are discussing pointers in C. In the pointers, we have discussed so far there how to initialize the pointers, how to declare the pointers, various operations that can be performed on the pointers. We have discussed how to perform the arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, increment and decrement on pointers. That all have been thoroughly discussed in the previous videos. And in today's video, we will discuss the working of a program. We will discuss the working of this program, and this program is based on the pointers. In this program, we will discuss what will be the output of these instructions after execution. After executing this program, we will discuss what is the output of this program. That will be discussed in today's video minutely. चूंकि पारान pointers CS मज तो पतमन वीडियो में वुच pointers क्या गई इसके डिक्लेयर करान pointer इसके इनिशियलाइज करान pointer तो कुछ ऑपरेशन च pointers पे हेकान करित तथ मज एडिशन ऑपरेशन सबट्रैक्शन ऑपरेशन इंक्रीमेंट डिक्रीमेंट तो सोरे वुच पतमन वीडियो में तो अजकिस वीडियोस में ये वर्किंग ऑफ ये प्रोग्राम वर्किंग ऑफ प्रोग्राम आउटपुट and discuss how this program is going to be executed. What will be the output of these instructions? That all will be discussed in today's video. So let us start from here. Here I am going to initialize an array int A. The name of the array is A, and I am going to declare and initialize the array at the same time. That means at the compile time. Here the size of the array is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Here the size of an array is 7. That means 7 into 4, 28 bytes of memory will be allocated by the memory manager for this array. This array खातिर memory manager में 28 bytes of memory allocate. क्याज क्योंकि assume करा we are using the 32-bit machine. ये 32-bit machine करान च तो compile च allocate करान एक integers 4 bytes. तो here 8, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 integers 7 into 4 equal to 20 bytes. In the memory, it can ask you, for example, 8, 2, 3, 4. This is the array A, and these are index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have already discussed the arrays. For example, this is the address 100. This may be 104, 108, 112, 116, 120, 124. So 124. Here 5 will get stored first, then 6, 8, 15, 20, 25 and 9. Here this is the name of the array, and this is the address of an array. This is the base at 100 can go divided to 100. I assume actually these addresses are in the hexadecimal format, but I assume here the address of the first byte, that the address of the first location is 100. First byte is 100. क्योंकि 8 integers returns 4 bytes of memory. So 100 plus 4, 104, 100 plus 4, 108, 112, 116, 120 and 124. This is the array. That means 28 bytes of memory will be allocated by the memory manager for this array. And here I am going to declare two pointers. That means the pointer can declare P and Q. P and Q. Of pointer to P dot to Q. For example, this is a pointer P. And second one, this is a pointer Q. Pointer P, for example, you have to address 200, you have to 300. Okay. P equal to A. That means here I am going to initialize P. P equal to A. Actually, what is A? A is the name of the array. Actually, A is the name of the array. Because A is the name, it is an internal pointer. A contains, this is A. Actually, what A contains the address of the first byte. That means this address. This A contains address of the first byte. क्योंकि name of the array itself contains the address of the first byte. Yeah, so it is also called the internal pointer. This name of the array should array first byte. Here I am going to initialize p equal to a. That means p is actually, what is the p? P is a pointer. And in the pointer I am going to store a. What is a? A is 100. That means 100. That means 100. This p is pointing to first byte of the array. That means 100. P is a pointer that stores the address of the first byte of array. This is going to store address of this 100. Address of A. Okay. Yeah, this can happen with initialization. You should hear this can P equal to address of A. Same. This and this is the same. Address of A. What is the address of A? Address of A is the 100. Actually, this returns the first byte of the memory. Address of the first byte. But the first address of it, that is the 100. 100 is going to store in the pointer P. That means P points to this first location. Okay. Now, printf %d indirection operator asterisk P. Here P acts as an indirection operator, dereferencing operator. Jitenshu sitar kana act as an indirect. Here it acts as a pointer. Don't confuse. In the declaration, this sitar acts as a pointer. This sitar tells the compiler, this asterisk symbol tells the compiler that P is a variable. P is a pointer that stores address of an integer variable. What does this mean? This means that P is a variable, this is a special variable that stores the address of the integer variable. Which integer variable? A. Here A. Here P, that means P stores the address of the integer variable A. Okay, don't confuse. Here it acts as a pointer. Here it acts as an indirection operator, a dereferencing operator. Here it acts as a indirection operator. What does indirection operator return? We have already discussed it in previous video that this operator returns the value at the address. What value is stored at that address? That is going to be returned by this indirection operator. This is already formed. You see hidden asterisk symbol here. This indirection operator. Indirection operator क्या करा return that address that कुछ value switch करानी print. That means here what is P? P is 100. Actually what is P? P is 100. This means indirection operator means P is 100. Okay, P is 100. This means that this star, asterisk symbol, indirection operator, the value at address. Value at address. What value is stored at 100? This will give us what is value 100. 100 is whose value is 5. It will return as 5. So the output of this instruction would be 5. It is execute करोगी instruction printf %d asterisk symbol या indirection operator pre, it will return this value 5 gets return 5 gets में print and 6. Okay, are you getting? तो क्या है? You see indirection operator चीज करा return value at address. Thus address पर कुछ value चु. Okay, here address is P. Address is P. PS में कुछ address 100. PS में address 100. 100 पर कुछ value चु 5 is stored. That will get returned by this indirection operator. So here the output will be 5. Hope you have understood how this 5 has been returned. Next instruction. Printf %d %d. Here I am going to display, I am going to return 3 different values, 3 values, integer values. %d, %d, %. We know that %d is the format specifier for integers. So here asterisk p bracket plus plus asterisk p plus plus asterisk plus plus p. Here this is the increment operator. This is the pre-increment, this is the post-increment, and this is also the post-increment. Here the precedence, precedence of all the 3 is same. Increment and decrement, they have the same precedence. So, but the accessory is from right to left. That means yes, execution gets your start. Not your from right to left. Then we will see what will be the output. First, this is a pre-increment. क्या है प्लस प्लस पी गॉड का इंक्रीमेंट पच वैल्यू का रिटर्न in pre we know that in pre-increment first the p will get incremented. Godnet actually this variable will p variable having the pointer variable it will get incremented and after that the value will get returned. First here this p this integer this is a pointer p is a pointer variable. If this pointer value will get incremented that means p plus 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 क्या करें it incremented the previous value by 1 you should up करें. That means first asterisk this will get increment p plus plus. Now plus plus p plus plus p. That means first this value will get modified. Plus plus p. Like location next location. Here the new address will be 104. That means 104. Okay? Yeah. Yours 100 starts. Plus plus p go, that means first the value of p will get incremented, then it will return its value. First p will get what is called the pointer variable get incremented. That means it moves one location forward. Plus plus p. Yours 100 is 104. 1 byte. We can say 4 bytes. It is one location forward. That will give us this address that this operator. This is an indirection operator. This is the indirection operator. It will return the value at 104. 104, the value at 104 is 6. So 6 will get printed. So 6 will get printed here. The output of this will be 6. Oh, okay. Godnet क्या कैसे इतना क्यों? क्योंकि pre-increment. Pre-increment क्या चुका first Godnet चुका use pointer variable चुका increment. चुका plus off point off location pakam forward. Yours p was 100 you only 104 and plus this and value print कैसे asterisk करा value क्या च after 104 पर value 6 it will get printed. Go this value is 6 and plus what happens क्या है SCT is from right to left ये बात you are asterisk p plus plus this is a post increment here it is a post increment. ये क्या करेगा first the value will return then the pointer value will get incremented. You think that here first the value of p will get returned. But because the value return, then it will get incremented. Here that means pointer p. What is p? P catching guess 104. Godnet gets returned and after that p plus plus. That means this will move one location forward. Here new address will be 108 and here pointer 104. That means this is an indirection operator. Indirection star 104. It will return the value at 104. What is the value at 104? That is 6. It will also return 6. That means output of this instruction 6 and the output of this instruction is also 6. Because in post increment, take care. In post increment, first the value will get returned, then the variable is going to be incremented. But in pre-increment, first the variable is incremented, then its value is returned. Okay. Now here, what should you next? Here, you should bracket. We know that this bracket have higher precedence. It has higher precedence than the others. What is the bracket? That means what does this mean? This means value at p. Value at p. What is value at p? Value at p. That means value at p. P catching guess 108. This is a p. 108. Value at p catch 8. Value at p plus. That will get 8 plus. That means 8 will get incremented by 1. That means 9. Output of this instruction would be 9. Here because 9. So 966. Hope you have understood how these instructions get executed. You can check working of these instructions. You can check it. Now third instruction. Printf %d asterisk q minus 3. Here what does this mean? Here we know that this indirection operator has higher precedence than this operator, arithmetical operator, plus, minus. What does this mean? Asterisk q. Here, first the value of q. Here, no, sorry. What's the instruction? Q equal to q plus 3. What is q? Q equal to 3 plus 3. What is p? 108. P equal to p plus 3. That means p is 108. It will move 3 locations forward. 1, 2, 3. That means 1, 2. Here, q is going to find this location. 102. That means this 6th location, 5th indexes. That is q equal to p plus 3. Here I am going to initialize q with p plus 3. What is p? P is 103, 108, this location. And it will move 3 locations forward. Plus forward. 1, 2 and 3. Now, printf %d asterisk q minus 3. Asterisk q. This. You got to solve here. Shall following the here. This is the indirection operator. It will return the value at q. What is the value at q? The value at q, that is 25 minus 3. 25 minus 3 equal to 22. It will return 20. This instruction will return 22. Now, this instruction. Printf %d asterisk minus minus 3. This is an indirection operator. Don't confuse. Only here in the declaration, this star acts as a pointer. And after that, when we use this star in the program, it acts as an indirection operator. Here it acts as an indirection operator. Here, star pre-increment. P minus minus p plus 5. Here, first this will get executed because this decrement have higher precedence than these arithmetical operators. Here, this will get executed. First, minus minus p. That means first the value of p, that this pointer, first this pointer will get decremented. First, this pointer variable will get decremented. What is p? P is 108. Minus minus, it will get decremented by 1. That means it will point to 104. Then, that means this star minus minus p, that means 104. What is the value at 104? 104. Okay, this star will return the value at 104. That is 6. That means 6 and plus 5. That will imply 6 and then plus 5 equal to 11. This will return 11. This instruction will return 11. Okay. Now last. Printf %d indirection operator p plus indirection operator q. What does this return? It will return here this operator have higher precedence than plus operator. Getting क्यों? First the value at p. चाहे your शिशी कथा है कि precedence is plus p and plus q. This s to p and s to q have the same precedence than and plus have lower precedence than these operators. SCT is from right to left. शिशी कथा. Control it s to p. That means value at p. What is p? P is 104. This will in 104 plus asterisk q. Q is 102. That is value at 102. That will give us as value at 104 is 6 plus value at 102 is 25. 6 plus 25 equal to 31. Hope now you have understood the working of this program. The working of pointers. In this program, we have included both increment operator, decrement operator, addition operator, and subtraction operator as well. All the operators on pointers which we have discussed in previous videos have been implemented in this program. Now I hope that you have now understood fully the various operations on the how this operation takes place in the program. These questions are being asked in the examinations, in various examinations, and these are some tricky questions. We can say these are tricky questions. And inshallah, in the next video, we will discuss another program based on this pointer programming. We will discuss the another program based on these operations as well. Till next program, take care. Bye bye.